So, after doing much research and interviews with some of our subscribers that used to work with loan house, I discovered that there's actually a way you can clear your data from fraudulent loan houses, and that's what we're going to discuss in this video. All those loan houses that hack your phone without permission, steal your contact, steal your pictures, and defame you, and all these loan apps depend on his aim to embarrass you, to ensure that you get frustrated and you are forced to pay back whatever money you borrowed from them. Now, this is a disclaimer. If you are actually planning to take these loans knowingly, whether you will not be able to pay back, then I will advise you, don't take it at all. There is no point taking a loan you won't be able to pay back. You know the terms. You know the conditions. So please, this video is not for you. But if you are so adamant and you are bent on borrowing money, you will not be able to pay back. Now, this video is a step-by-step guide on how you can clear your data that has been stolen and stored on the platforms that are on the fraudulent platforms that people use to collect loans. We are talking about different apps. You can mention the name in the comments section. They are out there, so you know them all. So this strategy will work for them. It will also work for apps like PalmPay and the rest. So please relax and make sure you follow the step-by-step guide. It's about 10 to 11 steps, and it might take a little time. That was a little while to exhaust the steps, but it's worth it if you don't want to get defamed. You don't want to lose your customers. You don't want to get embarrassed. But before I continue, I want to use this opportunity to tell you that there's so much I can't share on YouTube, whether it's because of platform rules or because some skills need deeper hands-on explanations. Many of my videos got deleted, and that's why I created a Policy Point learning community for you, a place where I can share everything. When you join, you're not just getting another course, you're getting access to complete ethical hacking guides, the tools and techniques I wish someone had handed me when I was starting out. And here's the kicker. This is the stuff I don't teach on here. No watered-down content, no clickbait, just raw, actionable knowledge. On top of that, you'll join an exclusive community on Discord. I pinned the link in the comments section below, but it's not for everyone. The link is only available for those who are serious about the journey. Now, the first thing you have to do now is you have to go to the hub. So I am actually not doing any hub right now, but I have come here because I use it for transactions and all. So this strategy works for almost all hubs. So you just have to take your time to do it, and you have to do it several times. If it doesn't work the first time, but most likely it's going to work the first time. So for this purpose, the first one we'll start with is what pump. So go to the pump. Now, the first thing you do is you have to go to the hub like this. You go to app info, or if your phone doesn't have something here, you can click like that. You can go to settings. So from settings, you can go to app info. But for the purpose of this one, so we don't waste time and you don't burn your data, let's go to app info. So go to the app info. You can also go to settings, like I said. So the first thing you want to do here is what you are going to do first. Stop your app. You first stop, and that's it. One thing is you can check I made a video earlier that talks about how you can stop apps from accessing your data. For example, this pump doesn't have any permission. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to permission and, deny permissions and all. So if you've done that, if you don't know how to do that, you can go to my place and you can see it on the screen. You can go to my second video that talks about how you can deny and permissions. You can stop Longhouse from accessing your contact, your details, your data. So this one is about how you are going to clear your data from fraudulent loan apps. So like I said, you first stop, and after that you go to storage, and then you clear storage. You can see this user data has cleared, then you clear storage. Just do both. So what you have here is just the word is just the app size. That's the total size of the app itself. So we have cleared the user data. We have cleared, but this is not enough because the logic is that these loan apps have a sort of a cloud server, a server up there where once you register with them and your details, they are already stored in the server. So what we are going to do here is we're going to replace the what already with them. So this one is not enough. You have to update. You have to clear. You have to update their server with new information. So that's what we're going to do right away. Now, after clearing this cache and the user data, then you go back and you go to uninstall. So you are meant to uninstall the app. So let's uninstall this app. So you uninstall after clearing your cache. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you would need to go to your browser and ensure that you go to something like contactdocs.google.com. Now, one thing with Google is this: for every data, for every phone number you save on your phone is automatically saved and gets saved on your Gmail account. So one thing is most of these apps get your details from Google and Facebook, also from your storage contacts and last dialed and all. So one thing you want to do is to go to contacts, and from there look at my home. Now stay on the web. You can see all of them. These are my dad's number, my friends, and everybody. So all the numbers have been saved. I've been saving. They are on. They are getting saved on my Gmail. So this is actually a very nice tool for all those hackers. So what I want to do is I'll make sure I delete each of them. So this step, you're going to delete them. For example, This guy is an accountant winner. I want this guy to let me. So you delete each of them. This guy is an accountant. Now you go and click on that. Those the three dots, then you move to trash. So you do the same thing for all of them. After deleting all the contact, the next thing you would do now is you will now go to your SIM card. You go to your phone, you remove your SIM card, and also ensure that you delete all the contacts saved on your phone. You delete all of them one by one. After deleting all the numbers and deleting them, you move your SIM card. Or you might not necessarily remove your SIM card if you don't mind deleting all the contacts that are already saved or your SIM card. So after deleting everything, then you will now come back to the account. contact.google.com. You come back to contactgoogle.com and save new numbers. So you have to save new numbers. Stay on the web. You can use the app if you like. So you can create a contact and add a new name, new phone numbers, and generate phone numbers. As much as you want these things, let's say whatever it is named, you can preferably save them with someone like my dad. That's what they like. The first contact is the one to contact your dad, your mom, your uncle, whatever it is. Then save some numbers you don't even know. And after all that, it is correct. Yeah, this is correct. So after all that, then your birthday is. You don't need all that. So you ensure you save all this. After saving all this contact, the next thing you do is you save. Next thing you do is you also go to your phone and save lots of numbers there. Our advice to save, whatever it is, names that are catchy, names that these guys will be interested in calling or using to defame you. So after doing all that, you go back to the Play Store. If you're using your heads, it is the same thing, the same process. If you're using your heads, so I don't have an iPhone, so if you want to buy one for me, I don't mind. Just send me a mail or drop your comment in the comment section below, and I would jump on your offer. Just give me your iPhone, anyone, I don't care. So you go to the Play Store and then you will install the app. So it depends on whichever app you want to install. Now after installing the app, the next thing you would want to do is you will give it permission. Let it have access to your phone again, and again. So you give it permission. It asks you questions, and you accept all the terms and conditions. You let it synchronize your data. So most likely it's going to synchronize the data, update whatever was on your account. So imagine if you had that before in your previous contact, it's just going to clear it off and upload this one. So it has worked for a lot of apps. Talking about UX loans, we talk about Circle Loan, we're talking about credit, we talk about Alabama, we're talking about Carbon, even Carbon, lots and lots of them. So I wish you the very best, and I hope you overcome your loan challenges. I really don't want you guys jumping from one loan to another. It doesn't make sense to just follow the instructions. Do it again, and again. Let it have some time. Spend some time. Let it spend a whole lot of time on your phone. Then the next thing you have to do is what? Uninstall the app, and let's see what happens. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. I'll be waiting to get your response, your comments, and suggestions. Thanks for watching, but make sure you subscribe to Policy Points before leaving this channel.